Hello once again. We're back and we're hiking again.
These are all still in the same thing as the buses.
Yeah,
Oh,
why,
I
why,
shouldn't-
why do
I
you
shouldn't
steal
say
his
that.
thing?
Sorry, I'm sorry. I'm just so used to. I know. I'm just so used to
He's
watching
gonna
his
freaking
videos.
cut your freaking throat out with a rusty knife.
No, with
Shh.
a diamond sword.
True.
Yeah, a diamond sword.
Maybe it's a rusty diamond sword.
How does diamond rust?
It happens. You know, you get a
Anyways.
very specific set
eventually
of
disintegrate because it's a carbon
conditions.
based thing.
Yeah. Anyways.
These are the things that are moving.
Anyways. Yeah.
Gonna have
But
us some good
we're,
dinner.
we're hiking actually with other people this time, so we can't scream you out. Yeah, cows smell like cows.
I'm
and-
gonna get us a good dinner. What's up, cows? What's up?
What you
Hello,
know
cow.
about cows, hater?
No. But...
What you know
Stupid
All
cows.
right. I guess. Are we going across?
Oh.
Do we even?
Oh, man.
Oh, that's great. It's like
Oh,
diarrhea.
dude, step in it.
It's like pooping on himself.
He pooped on his baby too.
Nasty.
It's gross, man.
Hello to Colorado audience.
That's gross, dude. It went all over its
Yeah,
foot and
that's-
all of its butt. That was like what I did.
He's like,
That
what?
was a
He's
pig
like,
shit.
what? What's your problem with me?
Are you kidding me? Now we're like in the back of the group.
Yeah, that's right. I won that argument. What?
Oh, you come back for some more. Like a boss.
I made it.
We handled that.
We're in the middle of the back again. Oh yeah, they just cut right through.
Yeah.
Look at all fit. Oh, there's that awesome dog.
Oh yeah, the doggy. So yeah, we're just walking more. Oh, there's still. Now you're getting all dirty, camera. Oh well,
That cow
can't
is.
really help.
That cow is wanted.
That cow's winning the argument now. You can't handle the heat, Riley.
No man, I need Jake on this. No, Jake's
I'll
just
go
like.
shout out
No,
to the
Jake's
rock.
just all like. I'm pretty sure. That moo. It's moo. Friggin' idiot.
Pronunciation.
Enunciate.
Riley, I'm sorry, but it's enunciate. It's not enunciate. That's just.
That's wrong enunciation. And
You just said it
I know,
yourself.
I'm kidding.
Riley, go back to
Sorry. Hello, son. Dude, that looks cool. The sun on the camera. Riley, look at that.
That's kind of like cool.
Man, just 15 minutes ago, we were too cold. Now we're freaking.
Yeah, now we're like Colorado for you.
Yeah, in another 15 minutes it's gonna be snowing, and then in another 15 it'll be back to sun.
Another 15 will be like melting.
Yeah, there's not a cloud in the sky right now, but it'll just start hailing.
That really does happen too. That's the bad part. Let's pick up the pace a little bit.
It's like I head to the mountain,
Yeah, we're probably just gonna head to the base.
and I'll head to my little gold mine.
My little gold mine. Hey, and you say I do copyright.
Potty, 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 potty.
Anyways, we're probably gonna let you guys go for a while. This video is getting kind of dull. So, bye.